Okay, good morning. Assalamualaikum. Today I want to show you how to extract some data from this text. From this text you see. This is the data sales today. This is the code of our product. This is the quantity sold inside the parenthesis or inside the bracket. I want to show you how to extract this number, okay, this number or this number onto this column. Okay, we will use the mid formula, and then I think that one we extract this number will very useful for another things, for the calculation, for further statistic. For example, if like this you cannot multiply by something, see, we use times by 5 for example. See, this is value because this is text, not a number. Now we want to extract the number. Let's get it started. Okay, first thing you have to know the mid formula. Okay, equal mid is to return some text inside a text, okay, in one cell. Okay, for example, you see this one, this data, all the pattern, all the quantity inside the parenthesis, inside the bracket, right? Okay, now we want to mid from this cell, then comma, and then the start number is the open parenthesis, this open parenthesis. As you can see, all the open parenthesis is different start number. All the different start numbers means the character from the first one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This one 7, the open parenthesis, and then the other one for this one 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we cannot put any digit number. We have to put another formula. We will use the formula of find. Okay, just type find and then tab, and then find text. What text you want to find? Okay, we use find. We want to find the open parenthesis. Okay, within text on this text. Okay, and start number. This is the start number of find. Okay, not from the mid. The start number is, let's say, 1. Okay, because this is the first open parenthesis. Okay, and then close the parenthesis. So we already have the start number of the open parenthesis, and then we use the num char. This is the length of character we want. As you can see, this one, all this data is just one character of the quantity, so we put 1. Okay, and then close the parenthesis and just hit the enter. Oops, I'm sorry, we open F2. Okay, the failure is from this one, because this will returns the length or the number of open parenthesis, but we want the +1, this data. Okay, so we just put +1. Okay, so it will return this number. Okay, just hit the enter. As you can see, the quantity of 1, and then we can drag it to the bottom, as you can see. Now, okay, this is the very basic one. And now how if the quantity is 2 digit? For example, we put 17 on this one. This wrong, this is a failure. Okay, so we have to modify our formula. We have to modify the quantity of this one. Okay, to solve this problem, you have to see my next videos, because not enough sorry for gently speaking, I haven't prepared yet for this video. Okay, I hope it's will useful for you. Thank you very much.